You might be wondering, where does Roman chamomile essential oil come from? And how do you use Roman chamomile oil? Even, how can you win the bedtime battle using this oil? In this video, I'm going to answer all of these questions, and I'm even going to share my favorite Roman chamomile diffuser recipe with you. I'm Caroline Lee, an essential oil educator and mother of 4 amazing kids. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for more than a decade, and I am very passionate about what I do because what I do matters, and it has the power to change people's lives just like it's changed mine. I'm really excited to tell you more about Roman chamomile essential oil, but before I jump in, I would like to invite you to stick around to the end so you can have a chance to access my free essential oils beginners workshop. And you can even also grab my 3 diffuser ebook that covers the top 10 essential oils. Before I jump into this video though, I would love to hear your favorite ways to use Roman chamomile oil in the comments below. Roman chamomile is first and foremost calming to the body and its emotion. Its scent is gentle yet potent. Roman chamomile provides truly a soothing experience for the mind and the body as well as the skin. Where does Roman chamomile essential oil come from? Roman chamomile essential oil is steam distilled from the flower of the plant. These flowers are daisy-like and they smell sweet, almost like apples. There are several varieties of chamomile. The most common use of chamomile is in herbal teas, but it's also used for fragrances in perfumes and personal care products. How do you use Roman chamomile essential oil? You can apply Roman chamomile to sensitive skins for calming and relaxing benefits. One of the main chemical constituents of Roman chamomile essential oil promotes feelings of relaxation during times of anxiousness or discomfort, especially when we're using it aromatically. You could diffuse it, apply it to your pulse points. You can inhale it from your hands to feel the feelings of serenity and calm. Here are my 4 usage tips for Roman chamomile. If you're enjoying a warm cup of tea first thing in the morning, or during the wake break at work, or even while you're reading your favorite novel before bed, consider using 1 to 2 drops of Roman chamomile essential oil to your herbal tea or a hot beverage. Adding Roman chamomile oil to your favorite tea will help soothe the body and the mind no matter what time of day it is. You can also add a few drops of Roman chamomile to your shampoo or conditioner. Not only will this promote a healthy looking hair, but it will leave your locks with fresh and a floral scent. Put Roman chamomile in your diffuser. Diffusing Roman chamomile oil is not only soothing to your mind, but it will help soothe your anger and irritability on those days when you're feeling agitated or you find yourself in the middle of a contentious situation, which for me never happens, right? Have a grumpy child? Rub Roman chamomile diluted on the feet to help soothe and calm the fussy child. How can you win the bedtime battle while using Roman chamomile? A great time to take advantage of the soothing, calming benefits of Roman chamomile essential oil is at bedtime. If you feel frazzled from a long, stressful day, apply Roman chamomile to the bottoms of your feet during your bedtime routine. The sweet, herbaceous aroma of the oil will set the stage before you go to sleep. You can also diffuse the oil in your bedroom to create a soothing atmosphere that's going to be great at the end of a long day. Personally, I like to use 2 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of Roman chamomile, and 1 drop of bergamot in my diffuser. To purchase Roman chamomile essential oil or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. I would love to help you get started with your very first essential oil kit. And now, anytime you get started with us, you can also get access to all my courses and all the great information and my oil community that we have. It's freebie time. You made it to the end. I'll make sure you get access to my private essential oils beginners workshop. And you can do this by registering in the link below. I'm also excited to give you a chance to grab my free diffuser ebook that covers the top 10 essential oils so you can start diffusing as soon as your oils arrive. That link is also found in the link below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit that subscribe button. Please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation, and we can talk more about essential oils that would be specific for your needs. We can even explore how you can get 25% off discount with me. Thank you so much for watching, and keep oiling.